Today, guys, my mom asked me if we could build our dog Dexter a new dog bed. So that's what we're going to do, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's get into it. The first thing is always throw on them safety glasses. Next thing we're going to do is take our tape measure and measure out to 30 inches. Put us a line here. I don't know if you guys have seen my dog Dexter, but that's who this bed is going to. I'll put in some clips of them. Now we're going to take that huge speed square and line up our two marks. And head to the miter saw. We got everything lined up. We're going to make that cut. Just like always, guys, since we need two of these, we're going to take that first cut and get her nice and flush on our side. And then we will make a mark. Made that second cut. Now that we got our two sides cut out to 30 inches, we're going to grab our other board and cut two more sides out at 39 inches. Alright guys, so now that we got all four of our sides cut out, it is that special time to put it together. So what we're going to do is our longer ones are going to be our front. They're going to be on the outside of the bed. We're going to throw this like this. Oh, Lord. Yeah, we're going to put this one right here and drill some screws in. Alright guys, we got our first side installed, so we're going to do the same thing all the way around the box. Time to put that last side on. Alright guys, so now that we're completely done with the construction of our box here for our dog bed, I have this very thin piece of plywood right here that we're going to put down for the bottom. You can cut your plywood out with a skill saw or whatever before you put it on, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put it on and have it flush on two sides, and then take my router and trim it flush on the other two sides. So we're going to put some wood glue down all throughout here, nail gun it down, brad nail, and then we'll trim it off. Alright guys, now that we got our bottom installed, we're going to take our DeWalt router with a flush trim bit on there, and we're going to go around these sides that have a little overhang and trim them up. Alright guys, now that we're done putting the bottom on our box, the router did a great job making everything flush, as you can tell on these sides here, and in the front you're looking at. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to make a design for the cutout on the front of it. So like, man, I almost fell. But probably going to go down at like a 45-degree angle and then go straight across, leave a little lip at the bottom, and then come back up as like a little front door opening for Dexter to get in and out of. So we're going to come up with this design and then figure out how to cut it out, because I don't know how I'm going to do that. But we're going to figure it out. Alright guys, so we got our design right here. Drew out of the cutout we're going to do. Unfortunately, I think I'm going to have to cut it with this old rusty saw, so this might take about 5 years. But we'll throw in a little time lapse for you, or a little montage. Alright guys, so I'm almost out of breath already from just cutting from here to here with the handsaw. So we're going to try our luck with this. Good thing is, like I said, it's going to my dog, so it doesn't got to be perfect, but I still want to try to make it look good for y'all. So we're going to see what we can do. Alright guys, so the hacksaw didn't really go as planned, but it's got a lot of neat curvature here, which really brings out, you know, the beauty of this piece. But that just means we're going to have to do a little extra sanding. So we're going to get this all nice and sanded down, the entire thing. Make sure Dexter don't get no splinters. Alright guys, so we got everything nice and sanded up now. Like I said, I think she's looking pretty good. I actually like the way the front came out. A little different, like I said, I might give it more of like a rustic vibe. Y'all know I like rustic builds, so works out. Today, we got a new stain. It is Kana, something like that, Kana. But we're going to try it out. Unfortunately, I didn't wear my dust mask during the sanding, but I do have gloves today. So it's one or the other. Alright guys, so we got her all stained up. We just gonna wait for that to dry real quick before we do our last step. Also, my hands are clean. So all y'all talking about I need gloves, you were right, I would appreciate it. And we will be back with you. Alright guys, so our stain is nice and dry now. So we're gonna add that final touch. I got this cushion right here from Home Depot. It was like $20, it was on sale. Oh yeah, fits down in there perfect. And that right there is a beautiful dog bed for our boy Dexter. I'm sure he's gonna love it. But I appreciate everybody out here watching this video. If you're new here, make sure you hit that sub button, drop a like, leave a comment for me, and we will catch you in the next one. Peace.